Hi friends, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe, as you've read the title, is a curry without any coconut. So there's no coconut milk, there's no coconut powder, there's no fresh grated coconut, there's no dry coconut. It's a very simple recipe, and it's a great accompaniment to any side dish. So whether you're having fried fish, whether you're having a prawn chili fry, whether you're having just a normal dudhi bhaji, or even a chicken fry, it goes well with anything. So let's jump straight ahead into the recipe, and I'll meet you at the other end. So friends, wasn't that a real simple recipe? You can just make it and have it with anything. It's super tasty. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to share my videos with family and friends. I'll say bye and catch you in another recipe. Till then, take care of yourselves and be loving and kind to one another. Bye.